Is your Pixel phone's internet not secure? Want to block ads and stay safe without extra apps? In this video, I'll show you how to set up Private DNS Mode on your Pixel phone. Let's get started. Open Settings on your Pixel and tap on Network and Internet. Now select Private DNS from the list. You'll see three options: Off, Automatic, Private DNS Provider Hostname. Select Private DNS Provider Hostname and enter dns.google. Then tap Save. Make sure your internet connection is active or the DNS may not work properly. That's it. Private DNS is now set up on your Pixel phone. If this helped, like, subscribe, and check out more quick tech videos. Got a question? Drop it in the comments.